Hey guys, how's it going? So a lot of people have been having questions on how to use Electra correctly, and so I decided to make a video compiling all the tutorials together on how to install simple tweaks and themes on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch on iOS 11.1.2 or below, using just these simple methods. Alright, and first things first, you guys have to be on iOS 11.1.2 or below. So as you can see here, I am on iOS 11.1.2. And that is all you need to be on iOS 11.1.2 or below to actually use this tutorial. iOS 11.2 and above will not work. So if they say, hey, 11.2, you can do it, no, they're absolutely not correct. Someone did say that they're working on iOS 11.2, but it's not a priority right now. So only 11.1.2 and below are supported. Alrighty, now first thing you want to do to prep your device to actually get the jailbreak going is you want to go ahead and head to the website. I will have it down in the description below. It'll be this website right here. Now when you get here, what you want to do is you want to go down to Tweakbot Apps right here. Scroll down all the way to see Electra Jailbreak. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and click Install. Now it's going to pop up if you'd like to install it. You go ahead and click Install. I already have it installed, so I will not click Install. But you just go ahead and click Install and it should download to your device, no problem. Now, once you have that downloaded, it should pop up, on your home screen. And then you're not going to be able to open it immediately. You want to go ahead and go to your Settings app. Go to General, scroll down to Profile Management, and go ahead and click on the Developer app. It's going to have a different email than mine, but you're going to go ahead and just verify the developer. That is it. Once you verify that developer, you can go ahead and open Electra, and it should be able to open without any problems. Alrighty, now I rebooted my device just to show you guys that the process that you guys will be going through, so you guys don't see two different things. So once you're at your home screen, go ahead and slide all the way till you find your icon for Electra. Go ahead and click on it. Now here it's going to ask you to jailbreak and tweaks on. What you want to do is go ahead and just click jailbreak, and it should go through 3 phases. It shouldn't be that long, and once it goes through, you'll know if it succeeded if you get that little timey logo right there. And then it should pop up normally. Yep, pops up normally. Go ahead and put in the password. And there you go. You are now officially jailbroken with Electra. Now you are officially jailbroken with Electra, but as you notice, there is not a city icon anywhere. So in order to install tweaks or themes on this device, you have to do an alternate method that I will be showing you right now. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and head over to our computer. There are 2 methods to do this. There's one that is able to do on your phone, or you can go ahead and SSH from your PC, which I believe is a lot easier. But if you do not have a PC, there is an alternate method to do it on your phone. Alright, now you want to go ahead and head over to this website called CyberDuck. I'm going to have it in the link in the description. What this is pretty much being able to access your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch from your PC. That's pretty much it. I'm going to scroll down here and download it for Windows or Mac, whatever you have. So I'm going to download it for Windows. I'm going to click download, and then you want to go ahead and install that. And once you've installed that, it's pretty much easy, and we can go on to the next step. Alrighty, once you have that installed, you want to go ahead and open it up, and it's going to bring you to this screen. So what you want to do now is you want to go ahead and go over to Open Connection, and here's where you're going to have to do a little bit of work. So you want to go ahead and click the top right here, scroll down to, where is it? SSH right here, SFTP SSH File Transfer Protocol. You want to go ahead and click that. Now the next thing you have to do is go ahead and find your IP address for your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. And in order to do that, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to your settings, go down to Wi-Fi, and whatever Wi-Fi you're connected to right now, go ahead and click the little I next to it. Right there, it's going to tell you your server IP address. It's going to be like 192.168. It's going to be that number right there. And you're going to go ahead and type that in to right over here. So mine in my case is 192.168.0.12. That is my iPhone's current IP address. And for the default password and username is going to be root for the username, and then Alpine for the password. You want to go ahead and connect. And once you get this screen, you have successfully connected to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, and we can continue on to the next step. Now to continue on to the next step to install tweaks and or themes, what you want to do is go ahead and go to your internet browser once again and go to this link right up here. I'm going to have it in the description as well. So you want to go ahead and download the latest beta. I find, at least for me right now, beta 7 is the best for me, but it may be different in your case. So you want to go ahead and download beta 7. Should go ahead and download, and then you want to extract it. Now once it opens up, you want to go ahead and take all these files and make a folder on your desktop. Get a new folder, name it whatever you want, like Jailbreak or Deb install or whatever you want to name it, and then just go ahead and extract those files directly to that folder. Should be very simple and easy. Now once you've extracted that folder, you want to go ahead and open up that folder, and then you want to go ahead and open up this program called Tweak Installer. Now it's going to bring up this little window right here. Now this is going to be literally the easiest solution to installing tweaks on pretty much any iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. It's literally like Cydia, but you know, dumbed down pretty much, and you just have to find your own files. Now in order to find tweaks to install, you want to go ahead and go to this website right over here. I'm going to have this one in the link in the description as well. You want to go ahead and go down to this section right here that says fully compatible. Now this list will be fully compatible with iPhone 10 and below on iOS 11.1.2 and below. Now let's say we wanted to download Auto Unlock X. You know, it's a tweak, you know, I really want to get it, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then it's going to bring either an instant download link, or you have to find it, like for example, Fast Unlock is available download for free here. I'd go ahead and click that, and now it downloaded for me. Now once that happens, you want to go ahead and open up that file, and you'll have these two files right here. Now there are two ways of installing tweaks on an iDevice. You may get a .deb file, or you may get two files like this. Now in my case, I got the two files like this. So in order to install those, what you want to do is go down to your SSH or your, what is it, CyberDuck, and go ahead and go all the way up until you see a Bootstrap. You want to go ahead and double click Bootstrap. Go ahead and go down to Library, and then you're going to have these folders right here. Now when you get an installer like this that has .dlib and .plist, what you want to do is go to the SB inject, which is the Springboard inject. You want to go and double click that, and it's going to go ahead and load it up for you. And then you're going to have a bunch of files. Now when you get the files like these, you want to go ahead and just bring these files over and just drop them in there, and it will install the tweak for you. Now let's say you didn't get these two files, but you got a different file instead. So let's go back up to the website, and let's say we wanted to get Cheesecake instead, and it downloaded cheesecake 1.3b.deb. Now this is where you would use this other program. So you want to go ahead and open up this program once again. Now your host is going to be the same IP address you used in the other program. So for mine, it's going to be 192.168.0.12. Now the user, it's going to be root once again. And then your password is going to be the same thing, Alpine. And then deb. Now here's where you would select the deb. And for me, for example, I have cheesecake right here, deb. Now once you have selected that, you can go ahead and click install, and it should bring up a terminal window saying that it installed, you know, unpacking and everything. And if it has successfully installed the tweak, you should look at your phone, and it should be respringing as we speak. That is when you know that you have successfully installed a tweak. Alright, so let's say you install the tweak, you install Cheesecake, and you don't like it anymore, or it's not working well for your phone. So in order to uninstall that, if you had the deb file like we did, you want to go ahead and just select the deb file once again, and go ahead and just click uninstall. It's going to ask you to press any key to continue. Go ahead and click any key, and then it should start extracting, uninstalling. It's going to remove some folders, and then once it is done, it should respring, and you guys should be good to go, like that. Alright guys, that should be it. That should be everything you need to know about jailbreaking your device with Electra. If you guys have any questions or anything that I may have missed, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And if you guys liked what you saw, go ahead and subscribe. I'll have more updates on this video as well regarding new jailbreaks and new, pretty much new tweaks and everything. So if you guys liked it, give it a like. If you guys want to keep seeing more, subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.